Winter towing in Calgary can be challenging, especially when facing harsh winter conditions. It's crucial to understand the risks involved and the importance of prioritizing safety and preparedness. From icy roads to reduced visibility, towing in winter requires a different approach. Ensuring your vehicle is equipped with winter tires and maintaining a safe speed and distance are essential for safe towing. Additionally, vehicle preparation is key, including thorough maintenance checks. Emergency preparedness is also vital, with items such as a shovel and emergency supplies being crucial for unexpected situations. Towing in winter presents distinct challenges, including navigating treacherous icy roads, dealing with reduced visibility due to snow and fog, and managing snow accumulation. These conditions require special driving skills and caution to ensure safety. Icy roads can lead to loss of traction and control, while reduced visibility increases the risk of accidents. Snow accumulation can also impact braking and handling. Understanding these challenges is crucial for winter towing preparation and safety. Safe winter towing involves essential tips such as ensuring the use of winter tires for improved traction on icy roads and snow. Maintaining an adequate distance from other vehicles is crucial to allow for safe braking and maneuvering. Driving at a safe speed that suits the road conditions is imperative, as excessive speed can lead to loss of control. These practical tips can significantly reduce the risk of accidents and ensure a safe towing experience during winter. Vehicle maintenance and preparation are vital for winter towing. Checking the battery ensures it can handle the cold temperatures, while inspecting the brakes guarantees optimal braking performance on slippery roads. Additionally, monitoring fluid levels, including antifreeze and windshield washer fluid, is essential for uninterrupted operation. Addressing these maintenance tasks prior to winter towing reduces the risk of mechanical issues and enhances overall safety on the road. Emergency preparedness is crucial for winter towing, and carrying essential items can be life-saving. A shovel is indispensable for digging out a stuck vehicle in deep snow, while extra clothing provides warmth if stranded. Emergency supplies like non-perishable food, water, and a first aid kit are essential for unexpected situations. Additionally, carrying items such as traction mats and a flashlight enhances preparedness during winter towing, ensuring readiness for any potential emergency.